भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। फर्स्ट वर्स। पुरम् एकादशद्वारम् अजस्यावक्रचेतसः अनुष्ठाय न शोचति विमुक्तश्च विमुच्यते एतद्वैतत् हंसः शुचिषत् वसुरन्तरिक्षसत् होता वेदिषत् अतिथिर्दुरोणसत् नृषत् वरसत् ऋतसत् व्योमसत् अब्जागोजाः ऋतजाः अद्रिजाः ऋतं बृहत् ऊर्ध्वं प्राणम् उन्नयति अपानं प्रत्यगस्यति मध्ये वामनमासीनं विश्वे देवा उपासते ऊर्ध्वं प्राणम् उन्नयति अपानं प्रत्यगस्यति मध्ये वामनमासीनं विश्वे देवा उपासते We had seen the two mantras of this fifth only, and this two mantras had described 4 points in short. What are those 4 points? Point number 1 is that there is some Atma existing apart from the body. Body is not that Atma, because one word was used as Puram. Puram means city. City is for the one who is the dweller of the city. Puram Ekadashadvaram. So this Puri word I explained yesterday, that this Puram or this city is a composition. Yesterday I gave a lot of time on this topic, that this is a composition, and one rule was there, that composition is for someone other than any part of the composition or for composition. No composition is for the composition. No assemblage is for the assemblage or for any part of the assemblage. And therefore this body This body includes subtle body also, causal body also. All should be for someone else who is not a part of this assemblage. And that someone should be conscious, not inert. And therefore we come to conclusion number 1. What conclusion? That is called Atma Anatma Vivek. There should be some self which is different than the non-self. This was the conclusion number 1. So we are withdrawing our attention from the body to the consciousness. So I start seeing my body as not me and mine, but as a temporary residence, of myself. Very starting stage, which is easy to believe. That this body is a time bound. We are tenants in that body we are going to leave. This body will be left. I will be apart from the body. This is very fundamental exercise. One has to do it. You can do in meditation, or you can do whenever you are very much identified to the body. You can do this simple exercise. Simple exercise. Because I have to leave this body. So this body is a temporary house I am occupying. And I am the consciousness. Therefore I am the consciousness. I am not the one who is inert or who has permanent association with the inert. Yesterday I told one point. If two things are together, so if you take one, other also will go away. If two things are one and the same, if you take one, other also will go with that. Like this color and the flower are one. So if I want the flower, I have to take the color also. I cannot wash the color and take the flower, because they are one. If the body and the consciousness was one, which we think it is, because this is what we say that I am, this person, then when the Atma went away, with that body also would go away. Remember I said that. So we said, see, that person went away, he is going now. He is flying away. Or with moment the body dies away, Atma also will die away. Other of the possibility. But because there is a new birth, and a person gets a new set of situation and his own mind, two things prove the birth. Two things prove the birth. What proves the birth? First is that he has. So people ask, do you believe in rebirth? So you don't give any answer. So first ask, do you believe in past birth? Because if past birth will be there, then only the effect will be because of a cause. This is a which pramana? Arthapatti. Known as what is Arthapatti? Postulate. Arthapatti pramana. Don't forget pramana. So if the effect is there, then cause will be there. So if I see the effect called, two effects are there. What two effects are there? With the body, two effects are associated. Which one? One is the external situation and prarabdha, and second is internal nature. To make the prarabdha, people say, he doesn't do anything, he is so rich. So don't just see a present and conclude a person's. He has a past also. So everybody comes empty-handed and goes also empty-handed. All these things are not right. He has not come empty-handed. He has brought lot of karma with him and his nature also, and he will also not go empty-handed. This you can say that he will go without any association with the things. This I can agree. But two things are there with the person. First is he brings his own big prarabdha is there. His own family, his own money, his own body. Some children are ill by age only, health problem. In their first month only, they have to be operated. Some are born orphans. Some are rolling in riches. Some have so much of luxuries from the very childhood. They have not seen any diseases. So there is a big area of prarabdha is there. And no two people's fate is same. At the same time, there is another thing called our own nature. Everybody's nature is very different. Some nature are very quiet, some are not quiet. Some are very good in studies. The childhood only, some students are first only from the beginning. For some, each class is a big project to pass. So if the child passes only, the parents are very happy he passed. He passed one more class. It is difficult to pass one class. And for some, he is getting trophies and medals. Some are good in athletics. Some are good in singing. From the beginning only. Lata Mangeshkar's first performance was at the age of 11. Beginning only. Some have very good guide from the beginning only. In their areas. How will you attribute to it? So they have their own swabhav also. Zakir Hussain started playing tabla at the age of 3, 4. So their nature was like that. Some are, they said, child prodigy is there. Some are spiritual prodigy. Very early age they had Lord in their life. How will you say all these things? You can't say fluke accident. You can't say by chance. So, what is the result? Result is that there is a big effect, therefore there has to be a big cause. And if the cause is there, then you have to say past birth must be there. So what do you conclude? My conclusion is that with the death of the body, the Atma does not die. Neither with the going of the Atma means Jivatma. With the going of the Jivatma, body doesn't go away. Therefore, the body and the Jivatma are two distinct entities. Come to this conclusion, please. Two distinct entities, yes, like you are not the house in which you are living. You are not the room. You can't say I am a room. You may have expanded like a room, but you cannot say that I am a room. You say I live in a room. These are very important points. You cannot neglect these points. So this is the number one point where Atma and Anatma Vivek is done. Second point is I shift my attention from the Anatma to the Atma. Now I am consciousness oriented. This is the second. From body, mind, intellect, I am shifting to illuminator. Body, mind, illuminator called the consciousness. This is the second conclusion. Conclusion number 2. Second conclusion. Okay. So this is the second point. Because anyway, this body will be left, but Jivatma won't be left. So you are closer to Jivatma than the body. This body will be left, but Jivatma will be there with me. So therefore I am more closer to consciousness. Third stage. What is the third stage? Third stage is a jump. What jump is there? That this I, the consciousness, is not confined by one body. This I is not confined by one body, but all bodies are in I. Yesterday the second mantra told this. Hamsaha. Hamsa means sun. He is the sun. Shuchishat. Shuchishat means in the sky. I taken this. You see the jump from first to second mantra. First mantra was Atma Anatma Vivek, but the second mantra is Sarvatma Bhav, which was mentioned in the last Valli also. Remember that? It was the oneness of the Prajneshwar with the consciousness, oneness of the Tejas Hiranyagarbha with the consciousness, oneness of the Vishwa and Virat with the consciousness. Because we think consciousness is a confined entity. All problem is because of thinking unnecessarily. Our thinking has become a liability. Anything which you don't know how to live with, what it is, and you have to live with it, it becomes a problem. Anything which you don't know, what it is, what's the value of it, and it is with you. So you will create a problem with that thing for yourself only. Passport was kept at one place. Okay. So a small child was there. He was learning to scroll and write. He took daddy's passport and on the passport he scribbled every page, including the page which had the name. Every page he did like this, all around, made drawing, sun, moon, stars, river, were on the passport. Now imagine what flight would be there, and the father had to leave. He thought, let me take out the passport, because morning I have to have early flight. So he took the passport, but he didn't check it. Who checks it? On the top you see passport is there, you kept in the pocket. You don't see the every day, you don't see the page. When he handed it over to the ticket person, he opened the passport. What is this? It's not valid now. Why? Well, see this passport. Why don't? Now he got. Similarly, we are also like that child. We have Atma, but we don't know the glory of Atma. We have mixed another thing on that. And we have Anatma, we don't know that this should not be brought close to us. We also have disturbed it. Anything which we don't know and you have to live with it, it will become a problem. If you don't know how to drive and you are in the driver's seat, you will always cause an accident. Therefore, you should learn first with the driver, another person, trainer, what you call. Then he will train you. But we live with our body, but we don't know exactly what is body. We live with our family, but we don't know what is a family. We live with joys and sorrows, we don't know what is joys and what is the relation with me. Many things we don't know. Don't think the topic is over there. We have to pay a heavy cost for what we don't know and you are living with. Something is not there, you don't interact, no problem. Mars is there. You don't know what is the nature of Mars. Mars name. Well, just I know planet. No, water is there or not in the Mars. Well, I don't know. So it won't affect you. Knowledge of Mars, that water is in the Mars or not, or what is the nature of the stone in the Mars, or how much kilometer it is distant from the Earth. It is closer to the Sun or closer to the Earth. If you don't know whether Mercury is first or Mars is first or Venus is first or Jupiter is first or Saturn is first, it doesn't matter because you're not interacting with the Mars. You're not living with the Mars. Also, it doesn't matter that Los Angeles is in the east coast of America or the west coast of America. America has coast. So Los Angeles is the eastern coast or western coast? Well, I don't know. Doesn't matter because you're not living in America. If America you live and you don't know, it will be a problem. But if you are living here and you have a car also, and then you have to go to Phoenix and you don't know which way to take, or you don't know how to go to Amshlanga, which is the way, then it will be a problem. Either you find out what is the way, your GPS, etc. Anything which you are interacting with, unless you know it very well, you will be caught up by that thing. There are snake catchers are there who catch a snake. So I was reading one day, one experienced snake catcher said, well, I have to take 30 years to know how to catch snakes. Please don't try. Please don't try catching a snake unless you are very, very trained, because they are very, very risky to handle. You will not know from which angle they will attack, and you have to pay with your life. You will be very casual, and then that will become the end. So better you keep a distance from that, or you learn and then you should attempt. People are swimmers are there. When you are swimming in the water, you should go with some person first. Some swimmer is there. When you are dealing with the water, you are dealing with your life. Life is a complex thing. It has body, it has mind, it has relatives, it has sorrows, joys, success, failure. It has honor, dishonor. 100 things are there in the life. And when I don't know their status and I don't know mine status, then anything will catch me. Anything. I am caught up. You are caught up not because of anything else, but because you did not know how to live with that particular person or a thing or a situation. What is the status of that? What is my status? Who am I? Who is this? It is more difficult. Living with the snake is easier in the same room. But living with people, living with our mind is much more difficult than living with a snake also. At least snake will be careful that let us not go close to it. Or let us see where it goes. Where it has gone, I am tracking it. But mind is more riskier because you don't know which is his next game. Next game of the mind, what it is going to do today, you are not aware of that. Which memory will it bring it today? And on what issue it will be upset? On which issue it will pick up to make you sad? You are totally unaware. You can keep on saying good afternoon, good, but it may not be good. I don't know the Atma also. And therefore, lot of training in spiritual life is required to know how to think on these things which you are heavily interacting with. Okay. So this is the second point. हम लोग ऐसे ही जीते रहते हैं. We think what is the meaning? What is the reason? Swamiji, I don't need a spiritual life. What do you mean by spiritual life? Meditation, jap, is not a spiritual life. The better word is adhyatmic. So adhyatmic means, adhyat means in Sanskrit, where you have I-ness and minus on those things, that is called adhyatmic. Like body is adhyatma, mind is adhyatma, intellect is adhyatma. Anything where I-ness and minus comes in, that is adhyatma, which you are very closely living with. You are very closely living with something. Atmanam adhikritya yaha pravartate sadhyatma. So you should know now the body, you should know about your mind, you should know about the person. And if the mind has attachment, aversion, ahankar, kam, krodh, all are in adhyatma, then you should know what? Kya hai ye? What is kam? What is krodh? What is attachment? What is hatred? What is sukh? What is dukh? What is irsha? What is jealousy? What is love? What is the meaning of fear? And if this is there, how it goes away? How it increases? Well, I don't know any. If that is knowledge is adhyat. Therefore, I always say spiritual life is less in doing. It is more in understanding. And you do after understanding. Okay. Only but if I jump, if you do something else, then that life will become a liability for you. Like I told you many times, that car, I drove that car here. I told so many times, you're here. You're not there. You also were not there at that time. So Praveenji brought a new car. He said, please inaugurate it. Old temple was there. I sat. Thank God I asked Nilesh to sit. And so I put on, that was very easy portion. The keys, ignition, kya bolte ignition? That was easiest portion. Now gear you put, automatic gear was there. So from where the old temple was there, the car went there. But you didn't know, they say press this, I forgot which is accelerator, which is brake. All are same. Sarvatma Bhav came in that. I pressed and the car rushed there. I don't know how to stop it. Somehow I stopped. Still I should have left at that time. I said, no, let me try maybe. Now real problem is started now. From there to the wall, car went on going. This is stop, put the brake. I don't know where was the brake. 3 were there. Clutch, accelerator, brake. कहीं press करो तभी भागी जा रही, कुछ भी हो रहा है. This wall, it reached that wall, this boundary wall. It was about to dash and ram the boundary wall. Thank God Nilesh was there. He with his hands he pressed the brake. Okay, भैया कान पकड़े. Never we should start all these things, especially in a closed area. I should have gone in a ground. And today also I dread to see somebody sitting in the car. Still some people bring new car and they say please sit in it. I dread to start also. That fear has not gone away. I said supposing it starts then. They say no, it won't start. It won't start. And there's a handbrake is there. So I already have put the handbrake. Or supposing handbrake comes down. No, it won't come down. When you do like that, it won't come down. Okay, just start. No, you sit here. Yeah. ऐसा ही है हम लोग. क्या है पता नहीं, माइंड क्या करे. वी डोंट नो अबाउट आत्मा. आध्यात्मिक जीवन इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन, इट्स अ मैंडेटरी थिंग. स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ इज नॉट एन ऑप्शन. ड्राइविंग कार में भी ऑप्शन. नो, आई डोंट लाइक टू ड्राइव. ओके, so keep on asking lift from somebody. And Gita says lift yourself by yourself, uddhared atmanam, and you are asking lift. Then all the time ask, where is he? Where is he? But if you are not spiritual, you will make very big mistakes. If you don't know the nature of other person, how to live, how not to live, you will make such blunders in life for which it will be difficult to correct it after a time. So first half will go in making mistakes. And second half of your life will be going in repenting about it. I'm telling you, this is not an option, that is spiritual life. I also want. Somebole said, Swamiji, good line you have taken. I said, which railway line? Bole, spiritual line. This is not a line. Bole, spiritual line is very good. Like the airline is there. Railway line is there. In Divine Life Society, there was Swami Krishnanand. Still, I think is there. Swami Krishnanand was there, who wrote lot of books. And who was the other one? One more was there. Swami Chidananji was there, and one more was there. So somebody said, Krishnanandji is totally in Gyan line. Because he used to write a lot. Swami Vimlananji is there, he is in Karm line. Well, what about Swami Chidananji? Well, he is in air line. Because he traveled a lot. लाइन नहीं है कोई, ये लाइन में पकड़ लिया, बोले पकड़ लिया, गुड. It should be taught from the childhood only. कर्म आप कर रहे हो, you are dealing with the action day and night. You don't know how to deal, what should be main thing in the action, so that you are not caught with that action. Action doesn't become a, what is it called, crocodile for you. It doesn't eat you. You are handling action is a difficult area to deal with. Action is a risky thing to deal with. Riskiest thing is the action. You don't know the nature of action. Its nature is to catch you. Its nature is to worry you. You started an action, bole, I'm starting one project. Now you have already taken a worry now. Moment you enter into action line, then you are already in a area where worry will be there, tension will be there, anxiety will be there, competition will be there, jealousy may be there, inferiority complex will be there, superiority complex will be there, ego will be there. It brings with a big baggage of lot of problems. If you don't know how to deal with the action, you don't understand this point. Action is not simple action I am doing and it is over. It is not over. It is a complicated area. यज्ञार्थात कर्मणोन्यत्र लोकोयम. कर्म बंधना It will take lot of time to understand that how action catches you, how action can give you blood pressure, diabetes, how action can give you all headache, how action can give you heart attack. You all study and you know how much tension action gives. Relations is another area. One relation can give you sufficient problem if you don't know how to use that relation. One relation in your life, not two. Two to baat hi chodo. I really compliment these grahasthas who are with so many relations around. Mummy, daddy, father-in-law, mother-in-law, husband, wife, first child, second child, third child, fourth child. And then, first children's children, they live with such a family. Still they smile. That is eighth wonder almost. Because how is it possible? He is not well. His money is not there. Son is not getting the job. Daughter went to in-laws house. They're not treating her well. There are so many complex areas. Therefore, when I deal with them, I have to be very soft with them. With the students will I deal, especially the Vedantic students are there, or somebody who is really students, I will be very hard and strict with that person. For every small thing he'll get scolding. Because he has come for this path. But one who is with family person, chacha, munna, dada, sab aaye hain milne. So I have to be very soft with them because already he has a lot of tension. He has to think about money. I have to think about money is there. Here we don't have to think about where I have to get money, where I have to get potato in the evening, what vegetable to cook. Because only Loki is left now. Potato is not there. Salt I asked, he forgot salt. You ask the grahasthas their problem, you won't know it what I am talking about that. Bread is brought, butter is left out. Today butter will be over. You go and ask, get the butter. Then they go for marketing there, shopping they go. 1 hour will go then. Then groceries they will go on Saturdays. Groceries are there. Then the wheat has been brought. And that is there. What is it called? Atta is there. The big bag they brought. When they opened, they fall, wobbles were there. What is that? Weevils was there. Then he said, oh my God, but I ate last 7 days I've been eating. Therefore I was feeling how it is so tasty. Ab batao. Now you go to macro. He said, I won't take it back. Already you have opened it. I can't take it. But see, don't waste my time. I have other customer also. I can't then take it. You should have not. You have to. I'm not responsible for that. I already get from wholesale. What is inside? I'm not entering it. I have not packed it. Hurry, but what is it? No, don't. I can't get it back. This is my policy. See, it is written there. Not returnable. Items not returnable. Are you educated? Yes. Please see that. Hurry, yaar, what is this? No, please move away. You don't know their problem. When people talk, we have to have a lot of sympathy. A younger grandchild, he is not keeping well. Every night he has fever. Isme pareshan hai. Every night he is having cough, fever. Tomorrow doctor has said we'll go for some kind of investigation will be there. Some tests are there. And therefore they come, sorry, I can't come in the class. But I will not say why you're not attending the class. You should be very regular. I understand their position is not like mine. Neither I have to bring vegetable, neither I have to take care of chant, neither I have to drop the children. Neither I have to see their report card and go for parent-teacher meeting. You don't know. This is a prarabdha, plus their own complicated nature also. Ahankar is also there, Krodh is also there, Kam is also there. So this decoction, which is there, complicated outer situation, plus my own bombastic and not so good nature. अब देखो क्या होता है फिर. Women are there. By the time they are 60, they have problems. Why? Standing. They keep on cooking for 40 years. They have been cooking standing. Problem happens in the knees, here, there. There is no lady who doesn't have problem in the body. Plus the tension of the house. ठीक कह रहे हैं, am I right? You can't understand there. We live in heaven here. Food I get cooked on time. Ton. Food is on time. Everything is on time. कोई करना थोड़ी ना है कुछ. I am saying, unless you are spiritual and very spiritual, please note, very good understanding about what you live with is starting from your agyan, vasana, mind, body, relatives and the people around whom you are saying mind or you have to live with. Unless you are very, very spiritual, means very good understanding is there, you are likely to get caught up very easily. Somebody will become a source of your sorrow. What? Why? Because you mishandled it. Mishandled. Like you mishandle your, what is it called? People don't know how to use mobile also. In the night, sometimes they put there and keep on charging mode. Night, you should not be sleeping along with the mobile if it is charging. Sometimes while they are talking and charging, that is also risky. It has blasted many times. Some people are there, lazy people, so they don't fill the battery when already is there. It is always, nothing is left out, and it's urgent work. It is 5%. It is constantly showing also 5% remaining, please charge. Still they are sleeping. And if they call, they will not pick up. Kahan se pick up kare? Then they will not say that I charged very late. They say my battery had died. And now they are putting it on and many had blasted mobile. Everything has to be known properly. Some basic things have to be known. Which food is better in which time also there is a system is there. Every food is not better for everybody. If you are having the problems in your knees, etc., they say curd, tomatoes, all these things, acidic things, they will create problem for you. Don't have then soup. Which soup? Tomato soup if you have such problems are there. It depends upon your body. When we are here, it is important to know. They say, why you have to learn Vedanta? What we are doing? I'm not learning about some other things. I'm dealing with my body, mind every day. I should know about it. Who will know about it? It is not for entertainment. It is not for time pass. That chutti thi to course hi kar liya. It was holiday, so I thought let us join this course. Kuch to time pass ho jayega. It is not a peanut for time pass. It's a mandatory serious matter. It is not for increasing some more information. It is not piano class. A tabla class I have joined. Holiday was there. I thought let me join piano class. I didn't know swimming. Let me go for swimming class.